Hi, first grade. Happy Friday. The shape I have today looks different from the other shapes that I've had. What do you notice about this shape? How many faces do you think it has? How many edges? Vertices? Do you think this shape will sit flat? Or do you think the shape will roll? Maybe it will do both. You might be right. Let's go find out. Today we will identify three-dimensional shapes. We will label the attributes of a cylinder and circle the examples of cylinders. It is important to be able to identify different shapes. Let's review vocabulary. Attributes. Say attributes. Attributes are quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. 3D solids. Say 3D solids. 3D solids are shapes that are not flat, like a cone, a cube, a rectangular prism, a cylinder, and a sphere. Face. Say face. A face is a flat surface of a solid object. Edge. Say edge. An edge is a line segment where two faces meet. Vertices. Say vertices. Vertices are the points where the edges meet. Sphere. Say sphere. Sphere is fun to say. It is a round, solid figure. Cube. Say cube. A cube is a solid shape with six square faces. A rectangular prism is a solid shape with 2 square faces and 4 rectangular faces. Cone. Say cone. A cone is a solid figure with 1 circular face. It has 1 point and a curved surface. Cylinder. Say cylinder. A cylinder, this is a cylinder, is a curved solid figure with 2 circular faces. So for your independent practice, you're going to use the pen tool to label the attributes of a cylinder. How many faces does it have? 2. How many edges? Do these faces meet? Do they touch each other? Then there's 0 edges. How many vertices? No points on this shape. Also, there are no edges that meet. So 0 vertices. Then you're going to, over there, circle all of the shapes that are cylinders. Got it? Good. Have a great weekend, boys and girls. We will see you Monday for our last 3D shape. Have a great weekend. Bye.